What's up, Central Pennsylvania? This week we're going to talk about the difference between a pre-qualification versus a pre-approval and understanding the importance of both.
Cold like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the hood out there.
So these terms, pre-qualification and pre-approval, are misused constantly. But it's critical that you understand the differences between the two and how it's going to impact you. Pre-qualification is where you call a loan officer, have a conversation with them, you verbally discuss income, assets, and they run a credit report. That's all it is. They take a look at that stuff. They say, I think I can get you a loan. And they give you a letter that says you're pre-qualified. A pre-approval letter, which is the more desirable of the two things, is where we do all three of those same things, but we reinforce them with financial documents. So we get W-2s, we get verifications of employment from your employer to break down your earnings, we get pay stubs from you, we review your assets to make sure that there's nothing crazy going on with there isn't any large deposits of cash that we can't source, or something that's going to cause a potential problem with the loan. We review credit, and credit's actually analyzed and run through what they call an automated underwriting system to be reviewed for a loan approval. The average marketing times in our area right now are 6 days, which that means from the time a house is listed to the time it's sold is 6 days on average, which means you want to be pre-approved. Sometimes, depending upon the circumstances of a particular client, it may take longer to get pre-approved. Maybe because your financial situation is intricate or because it takes you longer to dig up your financials. So if you're thinking about buying a home, you have interest, you definitely want to jump on that ball before you go to look at a home, because what can happen is you can see that home but then can't pull your financials together quick enough to get your pre-approval done. When they're analyzing offers, especially in the market that we're in, which is a seller's market as we talked about last week, they place a ton of emphasis on a buyer that is pre-approved versus pre-qualified. Sometimes I get calls on pre-approvals that I've done from agents to say, have you verified income? Have you verified assets? Have you verified credit? When they're reviewing multiple offers with their clients. So you got to understand how that can impact you. I mean, it's critical that you go through and you get pre-approved and have it done as quickly as possible. Hopefully this helps you understand the difference between the two. For more information about us, check us out on our website, www.yorkpamortgage.com, where all our contact info is listed there. Tune in next week where we talk about the importance of going through that pre-approval process and how it can affect you when you go to make an offer on a home.